Hey guys,
Welcome to the
Moo Point.
I know कि तू इतनी excited क्यों है आज?
Well, you should be too. It's BTS day. Finally, I'm introducing my best friend to BTS. As you all know, I am a BTS army. So, I'll try my best to turn my best friend to turn her into army. So, Akriti, do you know anything about BTS?
Don't
Honestly.
don't kill me, but you know I don't really know or I don't follow them as much because all I know is her Instagram suggestions and reels that she keeps like filling my DM with. That's all I know. I know Taeyang because he's the cutest. I know Jim
Yeah,
because I've seen his videos because she's like देखो देखो कितना cute है. I was like okay. That's how I know them and I've heard so many good things about them, but I've not really followed as much.
Okay. So, let me tell you. So, BTS, first of all, BTS stands for Bangtan Sunyadan, which translates to Bulletproof Boy Scouts. Okay, or beyond the scene, as their aim is.
Did
Alright.
anybody know that?
BTS is the world's biggest, boy band in the world,
That we all know.
and they have crazy loyal and so amazing fan base around the world. They have the biggest fan base. They are called army. That I am. So I started my BTS journey 6 months back, and I still think कि मुझे ऐसे बहुत time हो गया है, which is 6 months is not a very long time, but I cannot remember a time when I was not a BTS fan.
Even
So-
I remember her 6 months ago. She was going crazy over BTS. She called me. She's like, Agriti, I just found this amazing band. I was like, okay.
So I got my new obsession in 2021 lockdown. It took me about 2 weeks to really accept that I am an army now. So yeah, I'll tell you about my journey in the coming episodes of turning my best friend into BTS army. But for now, let's introduce her to some of their songs. So we'll start with some their English songs first, so that it's easy for her to digest, because BTS songs has so many meaning, so many lessons behind their songs. Also, BTS is recently appointed as a special envoy, presidential envoy. I think it's called presidential envoy. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that?
So they have given a diplomatic passport. So by their president. So they are now, and they have already spoken to you in the UN in 2017, and they did
Seems like crazy
Yeah.
big people, yeah.
exactly.
And I don't know if you guys noticed, she's so sure that she is going to turn me in a BTS army that she's मान के
I'm
बैठी है.
sure,
This
I'm
is the first
sure.
episode of converting her.
I'm sure. So yeah. So let's start with the first song, which is Dynamite.
I know that. That was like the most famous song
Yeah.
in like 21.
Now watch the video, okay?
Yeah, I've never watched it.
And I'll tell you all the members. So there are 7 members.
Yeah.
RM is the leader.
Okay.
ठीक है? Then there is Jin, who is the oldest member and a vocalist.
Okay.
Then there is Suga, who is a rapper. RM is also a rapper, who is the leader. Then there is J Hope, who is also a rapper.
Okay.
Then comes Jimin, who is a vocalist. Then comes V or Kim Taeyang,
Okay.
who is a vocalist also. J Hope is a main dancer also.
Oh.
And Jungkook, as we call it, he's the youngest, or Magne. So he is main vocalist, dancer. Yeah.
It's massive. Yeah.
इतना
Okay.
स्पेस है हमारे माइंड में तो कुछ रखने का. I'm surprised.
Okay. So let's start with Dynamite.
Okay,
Let me.
I am excited for this
Dynamite.
because मैंने इसका वीडियो नहीं देखा है.
Okay, so this is the first English song that they released.
Really?
Everyone, do you need captions? Okay,
Please,
let's keep captions क्योंकि वैसे भी English song है
हाँ,
but still.
Still.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. That's Jungkook. That's
I
V.
know.
That's RM. J-Hope, Jin, Suga, Jimin. I know you won't remember, but still. Disco, oh well, I'm into that. I'm good to go. I'm done. You know I do well. Just take a moment here and look at this face.
I have seen so many times because of you. I know he's our favorite, everybody's favorite. But I would like to say भाई kill कर रहे हैं, भाई dance जो kill कर रहे हैं ना, मतलब
We have to learn this dance number. We have to learn all their dance number.
we can try.
Oh,
but
we
I
can
don't
lose
know.
weight doing it.
We can try.
Ladies and gentlemen, I got the medicine, so you should pass on the ball. This is getting heavy. Gonna hit the bass. Yogi!
It would be so nice.
Disco, oh wow, Jimmy. Pick it up. Angel. Angel! Cute. Light it up, time. जिमिन की आवाज सुनी आपने? Light up, dynamite. Vocals. Jungkook.
भाई कितने लोकेशंस हैं?
All green screen.
I know that.
It's all green screen.
I know that, but I know.
But they really built all the set for their. वो green screen नहीं था इससे पहले. It's all set.
All these, right?
Yeah, this is all set.
Crazy synchronization यार. कितनी प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ये गाने से पहले?
And they perform like this in their concert and sing as well. साथ में. How do they do it? Okay.
Bye.
What do you think about the first song?
Yeah, I always like the song because well everybody's heard it, but I have not seen the video yet, and
Okay. So
speechless.
the next song is also a English number, which is Butter, which they released this year only.
Okay.
Initially, I think they released in March or something.
Okay. I've heard of
Which
the song.
this song Dynamite, I think it got into Billboard.
Yeah.
Also, Butter broke all the records. 24-hour most views. I think it went over 112 million in 24 hours.
Crazy.
They are breaking their own record. Dynamite का सबसे ज़्यादा था and they broke with Butter.
I have a feeling वो दोबारा से अपना ही break करने वाला record.
Hopefully, yeah, they will.
Okay, now I'm excited for the other song because I now thoda recognize the guys and I know they're gonna kill the dance and you all know I like dance. So
Yeah, Akriti is dancer and a singer, so I think she would like it. Like all the song, actually. So this is Butter. 3, 2, 1, go.
अलग लगता है यार हर बार.
बाल लंबे Yes, you are. Sorry.
Yeah, actually birthdays are written ना.
No. Actually, सबने अलग अलग हाँ, that's birth date और ये सारे numbers they have some meaning behind it, जो कि आपको मैं बाद में बताऊंगी.
Okay.
But apparently we chose it because it was first. Jungkook because it was his debut year. Jin chose random number. So बहुत सारे ऐसे हैं.
Okay. Yeah, dance. Feeling it. अच्छा, so this was what you were doing. They just showed a pancake का photograph.
I
So
know.
I already love them.
यार who can pull off all orange? Who can?
I guess, I suppose, Jungkook. Taeyang?
He's staying.
Sorry, my bad. Taeyang.
Jungkook has long hair.
I am still getting a little acquainted, guys. Give me,
Kim
sorry,
Taeyang.
point, sorry.
Kim Taeyang supremacy yaar.
I know.
Jungkook, oh I love Jungkook.
But
Just
Taeyang
FYI.
is supreme.
I love him. He's kind of my bias striker.
What? ये तो smooth editing है यार. Color coordination man.
बाल देखो यार.
Oh.
Ooh, Namjoon. Ooh, oh. Jungkook. Hobie. Yoongi. Jin. Worldwide handsome.
Control. What?
Look at this.
Oh.
They spelled army. They gave shout out in their video. They love their fans so much. Yaar. Let's go. The production value.
And obviously production value. ये मेरा favorite है अभी तक का. ये shot, ये sequence.
I love it. I love it.
Man, I love this poster of the song. Colors suiting them, everything golden.
Everything butter about this video.
Oh yeah.
Smooth. Everything is so smooth. Hobby.
They just had butter.
How do you feel about
so
that?
cute.
I know.
I
Hobby
mean, I
with
have my opinions about having just butter, but this was super cute, man. How can they dance so well?
I know they are trained for it, and not
Can
everyone
I
is a
have a
dancer.
Tato, please?
And not everyone is a dancer. Surprising thing. When I first watched it, I thought everyone was dancer, but when I get to know them more, I realized that not everyone is a dancer. Some of them had no experience in singing also.
Really?
Yeah, like Jin. I'll tell you the story later, but
Okay.
Abhi, we'll keep it light for you. So guys, there you go. That was her reaction to Dynamite and Butter. So next time we'll show her Permission to Dance and My Universe, because those are the two English songs that is left. So we'll do that, and
I would like English
yeah, for now.
for now.
And do join us for that journey, and do let us know how do you what song do you think we should
We should do next time.
we should do next time.
Yeah, because other than BTS, if there are other songs and videos you want us to react on, please
Yeah.
put it on the comments and go like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us on.
Instagram, which is we at Moo Point, and stay tuned for the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.